Let's create these moving components from images. We will use two types of animation. Add a page. In Elements, we will look for ice skating. Click the image and go up to Edit Photo. Click on Magic Grab. Click the component image and choose Tectonic. You can adjust the intensity. Let's look for a kissy face. This time, we will edit the photo and choose Breathe. We can adjust this. Click on Magic Grab. Click the component image and choose Breathe. This is very easy to do, and I hope you like this tutorial. Please do like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks with Canva.